Silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are approaching to negative MACD territory. As with the 4 hour chart, we are in positive MACD, but we did see it diverge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are back into positive MACD and slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.96, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.51, and my stop loss is at $20.05. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.10. My sell target is at $21.94, and my stop loss is at $25.15. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 7%, a 13% chance to climb between 7 to 14%, to the downside a 13% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and a 25% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 14%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.